All right, you see how ashy that is. So we're gonna use the jet black on there and go from pretty much ashy to OEM new, no heat, no nothing. So let's get to it. All right, we're not gonna wrap the inside here. So that's where we're gonna put the jet black. We don't wanna put it on anything we're gonna wrap because we want it to stick, but you can use this restorer, but you gotta let it cure for about a day, then come back and wrap it. But we want the wrap to stick good, so we're gonna do the parts of the wrap that you can only see, off without it being wrapped. So we're gonna go ahead and apply some jet black. Comes in a bottle like this. You'll need a couple of drops. Put a few drops on there. I'm gonna close the cap because we don't want to spill any. I'm gonna take this. Apply it everywhere we want it to go. I applied it there. I'm gonna take the camera off so you can see. Bam. It's turning back to black. So I'm gonna do this whole inside area right here so you can see where we're not gonna wrap. So you can see the before and after. But you can see how good it's getting right now, and it's just barely applied. And I applied some more. A little bit goes a long way. So you can see why we call it jet black. It is turning black. And this is where we cut it off at. You can see how ashy it was. And there's a corner right there. So we're gonna do all of that. And I just did it. And it's cool to the touch. You get 303, it'll get all over your fingers and everything and be greasy as hell for a while. But even though you need to let this have time to cure, it's already good to the touch already. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some more done so you guys don't have to watch me do it all. And I'll do a piece on the top so we can do a side-by-side comparison. And I'm gonna go all the way down this footwell on the inside and compare it from left to right. All right, as you can see, it is super ashy. And even though we're gonna wrap this part and take that Seadoo logo off, I'm still gonna put some jet black on there because this is where you're gonna see the difference. And I want you to see that a little bit goes a long way. So here, and here's the jet black. Take a couple drops, just put a few drops on there. With 303, you'll be spraying like hell to try to get that on there. And I'm gonna take this. This is why we call it jet black, because you see, it goes from ashy to jet black, and this is ceramic. I haven't renewed it. Still have a little bit goes a long way for this little area. So you can see the before and the after, where I stopped at. And that's with just those little 5 drops. So you know jet black is the truth. You'll see it go from ashy to classy pretty much here. So I'm going to renew it.